viewers, in this lecture I'll be teaching you about the active and inactive set in a molecule and its identification. Now first of all, let's talk about what is active molecule. Active molecule are those molecules which participates in the chemical reaction as well as the geometrical representation, while the inactive one does not participate in the reaction. Now just take an example. As given in this example, just you can see that in this molecule there are 4 atoms or the molecules that are connected around a single one, around the central one. So we will say that these one are the active sets and the relation between them are bond pair relation. As let's move on to the second example. Now here we know that the lone pair doesn't participate in the geometrical representation, but still there is existence of that. We will see that these are the active one. Why? Because we know that when we have the lone pair, it affects the angle of the bond pairs. So there is somehow the activation or participation of the lone pairs in that. So we'll say that it is also the active set. But what will be the inactive set? Inactive set are those set, or we can say that we know that the x-axis, or we can say that according to electronic configuration, just suppose the electronic configuration of the helium. Let's take helium. Okay, not the helium. This is the electronic configuration of beryllium. Now we know that in the beryllium there are 2 electrons in the first shell and 2 in the second shell. So here we'll say that the first shell is inactive participant and the second shell, no matter it is in the lone pair, no matter it is in the normal bond pair, but it is active set. So all the elements or all the atomic orbitals in the second shell, third shell or the valence shell, they are active participant. Otherwise all the elements or atomic number are inactive participants. And that's all about today's lecture.